My research focuses on autism spectrum disorders, but what I'm looking at is how the brain is different in this disorder compared to healthy individual's brain. So we have different types of techniques and tasks to understand the biology of autism. So to put it very simply, we are studying the neurobiology of autism. My interest in the field of study, I think it took a linear sort of path from studying psychology. And once you start studying psychology, I think one of the interesting parts which you get attracted to is the abnormal psychology part of it, how different disorders manifest, what kind of mechanism may be driving those disorders. So it's a kind of linear path in some ways, but the idea is to go from behavior to cognition to brain in disorders like autism spectrum disorders. So the method which we are resorting to in our research is brain imaging or brain mapping, and within brain mapping there are different types of techniques used. So the process is different types of brain imaging techniques to understand the organization of the brain and autism and its function. So one of the main findings of our studies is that the brain in autism is organized slightly differently, and we are looking at how different parts of the brain in autism are working together as a team to accomplish a certain function. And right now what we are trying to do is to identify some of those circuitry in the brain which is functioning and connected differently, and trying to change that and improve those connections. ALRI provides a mechanism or sort of like an infrastructure for researchers like us to thrive in the academic environment. And for that, I think ALRI is helping in providing all the kinds of infrastructural and other support for that.